Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a hair video. This is a very simple, chic, inexpensive hairstyle using the African threading method. So if you're looking for something that will not stress you, you definitely want to try this hairstyle out. So the first thing I always love to do is to detangle my hair, and that simply means like untangling it, combing it, whatever way you understand what I mean. And I just do that working in sessions. Now, my hair has already been sort of detangled, it's not so tangled like that, and that was why I could afford to, just make it in big sections. Yeah, so I went in with this leave-in conditioner, which is a Nigerian made brand that I got recently. I did not even know how much sleep that this thing had, and I just packed it, so it had like very great sleep is something you should look out for in your conditioner. It's something that just makes your hair easy to glide through even with your fingers and your comb, and just minimize the pain that comes with like obviously detangling our natural hair. And I just went in with my hands first before I went in with the comb. Yes, I know there are a couple of people that do like finger detangling all through. Well, I'm not that kind of girly. I don't know, my hair is just too thick. I don't think I have that kind of patience to use my fingers all through. So I just work with my fingers first, and then I go in with my detangling comb, a white tooth comb, or a detangling brush. But in this case, I am using like my white tooth comb, which is what you should be using. Okay, so I just do this for all the sessions. So after I finish detangling, I just twist it to just keep that part in place, and I then go on to the other part. So I basically just did about 6 parts, so 3 on both sides, and just quickly detangled my hair. Okay, but if your hair is more tangled, you want to like take your time, but mine had already been previously detangled. It's just that I wait for like I think about a week without detangling it, and I'm just like doing it now. Okay, yes, so after I do it for this first session, I just go ahead to complete the second session off camera. Okay, now we are done detangling my hair. The next thing is to get ready, pack it basically, and get ready to go to the salon. Yes, I did this hairstyle in the salon. I was not about to experiment because I felt it was sort of complicated, but I had sent my hairstylist what I wanted in mind, and yeah. Okay, so we were just talking and chatting and laughing, obviously. But the first thing she did was to loosen my hair. I'd already told her that, see, I've already detangled it for you, so no need to stress yourself. Just get right into the hairstyle and let's get this going. And then she went on to divide the hair, like, because the style we're going for, it has like center parting and all that. And yeah, so she went on to try to create a very straight line as much as possible. Yeah. So she started working in sessions. Now, the first thing we did was to cut the wool that we're going to use. Now, this is Brazilian wool, very affordable. One piece is about 500 naira. I think that's what we got, and we didn't even use like up to. We even bought 3 because we were thinking that the bun we were going to use the wool, but we ended up using something else. But you can get 3 just so that if you want to create that bun behind it, you'll be able to. So she divided my hair into 4 tiny sessions and started the African threading with the Brazilian wool. So of course we used gel just to keep the hair in place. You can decide to blow out your hair before you do this style, because I know she was saying that, oh, do I want to blow out my hair? And I was like, no, let's just do it. You can decide to blow out your hair before you start the threading process. But yeah, all we did was divide the session, put gel, and then start the threading. Okay. she divided the second section and joined the first section to the second section and continued the threading process. And that was how we were able to join everything, like every single session. So it's like divide the session, put gel, and then thread with the Brazilian wool very well. This is what we have now. This is how it's looking after it has been joined together, and she's just going in with the last session. This is what the first side is looking like. So we just go ahead to repeat this same thing on the other side just to give us the hairstyle. Yes. Okay, so we are done, and this is what it's looking like. Yes, I could actually have carried it like this, but no, this was not the vibe I was going for. We needed to put a bun, and so she gave me like part of her dreads. Like, this is actually dreadlocks, so we just plaited it and put it like in a bun and started sewing it on the hair. Yes, it had to be sewn so that it would stay and it would attach. Yes, for this part, if you don't have dreads or maybe attachment or something else, you can actually use the Brazilian wool. All you need to do is to braid it and just use it to form a bun, and you can sew it in. Okay, yeah, this was what I was trying to do, just so that the hair stays in place. I don't have to think of, oh, I'm removing something. And of course, she decided to do some magic with my edges and, you know, do all her art things. See how serious she was even looking. But yeah, for the hair, and yeah, she just did my edges and put this hair mousse just so that the hair is in place very well. And now, one thing I want to tell you about this hair is that it's actually very simple. It's straight to the point. It doesn't take time. But when it comes to maintenance, you have to have like a gel that you will constantly use to maintain it. But you guys, just take a look. Is it not giving everything it should give? Okay, like, it was so lovely. It came out like as I envisioned it. And yeah, so came back home, did a couple of videos to show you guys how it looks. So let me know in the comments, will you be trying this style? What do you think about it? And just so you know, this style actually lasted me for about 3 weeks. The plan was to carry it for 2 weeks, but I ended up carrying it for 3 weeks because I was just too busy. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.